Hi Eric. So in this issue, what I've done is earlier it was Stripe integrated, and when I integrated Stripe, I had created some payments using API, post payment API, and now I have disabled it completely. So the Stripe is completely disabled now. Now if I go in the payment API and try to create one with the payment profile and payment method, the Stripe payment profile and payment method, then it is getting created. So now let me first get one. Yeah, so this one I had created using the Stripe payment profile and method. Now if I so now if I go and try from the UI, there is no method available for the credit card. I have to create new for this customer, but from the API I'm able to do so. I'm using the same customer and the same payment method and profile. Yeah, so this 52 got created. If I go to the account transactions, yeah, you can see this so just got created at 6:33 with the Stripe payment method and payment profile, and we also can apply this to the invoices. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.